If your fence gate keeps refusing to close like it's supposed to, you're probably dealing with a super common fence gate problem that can be fixed with some quick troubleshooting, no special tools needed. First off, take a good look at the hinges. Sometimes they get loose over time, so grab a screwdriver and tighten up those screws, you know? If it's still not lining up right, try lifting or lowering the gate a bit while adjusting the hinges until it swings smoothly. Next, check if the gate frame is actually straight because wood can warp or metal can bend, especially if it's been raining a lot or the sun's been brutal. You can use a level if you have one, or just eyeball it and see if there are any obvious saggy spots. If you spot any, shims or a little gentle pressure might help realign things. Another thing that gets overlooked is the ground underneath. Sometimes dirt or gravel shifts and blocks the gate, so just clearing that out can make a world of difference. If your latch or lock is busted or rusted out, swap it for a new one. They're pretty cheap and easy to install, no sweat. When you're replacing hardware, make sure it matches your gate's material and weight so it actually holds up. And don't forget to check for swelling after a rainstorm because sometimes gates just need a few days to dry out before they work again. One of the most common fence gate problems is misaligned hinges, which messes with the swing and makes your gate stick or drag. To fix this, always tighten up loose screws and replace stripped ones, then test the swing before calling it done. Second big issue is a warped or sagging frame, which throws everything out of whack. Just reinforce the frame with brackets or replace any split boards to keep things straight. Third thing people run into is a damaged latch or lock, either from rust, weather, or just plain old use, which makes it impossible to secure your gate. Pick up quality replacement hardware and install it at the right height for your gate style so it latches every time. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors fast, with real reviews so you know who you're hiring. For contractors, it's clutch because it connects them with legit jobs in their area and helps build their reputation online.